Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable the auto verification feature on the Google Chrome mobile app for your iOS or Android device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner of the browser window, and then go down and select the settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down underneath Advanced and select the Site Settings button. And then scroll down again underneath Content, and you want to select Auto Verify. So if you want to enable Auto Verify, so sites you visit can verify you're a real person and not a bot, have this toggle to the right, meaning it's turned on. If you had it disabled, if it's grayed out, it means it's turned off. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.